Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to turn off extra dim option in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. We have our extra dim option turned on. As you can see, our screen is pretty dim, darker than it should be. We turn it on, or someone did it for us, and we want to turn it off. We need to go to settings first, then accessibility options right here, and visibility enhancements menu. We need to scroll a little bit down, and here it is, extra dim. To turn it off, we simply uncheck this box, and now our phone is back to normal. Alternatively, we can just reduce the intensity if we want to, but right now we want it, turn it off. No need to save, just back out to the main menu, and that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.